When you need a ride, you think Uber. Planning a vacation, Airbnb comes to mind. And for online shopping, it's Amazon. These giants dominate their fields with ease and convenience. But what about the last time you needed an odd job completed? Why wasn't there a simple go-to choice for your odd job needs? Welcome to HUDU, the AI-powered odd job marketplace, where getting things done is as easy as booking an Uber or reserving an Airbnb. HUDU is incredibly easy to use and designed to simplify your life. Upload photos of your project, add a short description, and watch as competitive bids start rolling in. With HUDU, you'll receive bids from peer-reviewed doers. Plus, our Best Bid Spotlight feature highlights the top bids based on ratings, experience, and price, helping you make an informed decision. Meet Dewey, HUDU's powerful AI. With quick voice or text conversations, Dewey makes listing or bidding on projects effortless while ensuring nothing is missed. Dewey also powers our in-app support chat, providing instant answers to any questions you may have. With HUDU, payment is made when the project is awarded and held until the work is completed to the lister's satisfaction, ensuring that both the lister and the doer are protected. With HUDU Wallet, doers can track their earnings and average hourly rate. Most importantly, they have immediate access to their money through our instant payout feature. For our doers, HUDU Academy is a built-in resource to expand their skills and knowledge. By completing courses, they earn badges that establish trust and credibility with listers. As our crowning achievement, HUDU is the first and only platform that offers paid vacation to doers. We believe the key to creating a sustainable workforce is to treat doers with the respect and appreciation they deserve. By supporting our doers, we build a stronger, more dedicated community. Tapping into network effects, HUDU's referral program makes it easy to invite friends and family onto the platform while getting rewarded. Join us as we build the future of the gig economy. HUDU, the odd job marketplace.